This video will walk you through the simple steps to be able to switch your SOLIDWORKS license from one machine to another. The standalone license is tied to a specific machine through an activation process, which means if you want to use your license on a different machine, you need to first deactivate it or free it up. You do this by first launching SOLIDWORKS on the currently active machine. It must be done by physically moving the mouse on this machine. There is no way to remotely do this without access to the machine. You start by going to the Help menu in the upper right corner. Now, this was moved from the drop-down menus on the left-hand side a few years ago. Go to Licenses and then Deactivate. Select the licenses you want to deactivate or free up and click Next. The tool will ping the SOLIDWORKS servers and deactivate the license from this machine, essentially freeing it up for use on a different machine. Now, reactivating is even easier. When you launch SOLIDWORKS, you'll be prompted to activate. Just select the products you want to use, then click Next, and you're done. SOLIDWORKS is activated and ready for use.